Welcome to the Christmas edition of Eggzotic Eggs. We are going to be making a Christmas tree egg today. So we have our egg, we have fork, 2 knives, spatula, butter, we have a bowl for scrambling, we have a piece of bread, milk, ketchup, and butter. So our first step, just like when making all eggs, is going to be putting the butter on the pan. Now, I'm going to use a little extra butter today. So there's our butter. Now we're going to be lighting the pan. Got the fire in there. Our next step is going to be scrambling our egg. So we have our egg. Now we gotta start scrambling. Now that it's a little bit scrambled, we can add the milk and then scramble it some more. Get rid of. So here's our Christmas tree, right? So we're gonna put that on the pan. And first we're gonna be cooking our bread before we cook the egg. Okay, now that we got one side done and the other side's being cooked, we can put in the egg, and we want to put it right in the middle, and it'll make our Christmas tree egg. And now, as you can tell, we do have a lot of egg left, so that I'll be showing you what we're going to do with that. We're going to cook that after this and do something fun with it. So I'm going to be lowering the temperature of the stove now so that it gets still cooked, but we want the egg to cook at the same. We want the egg to finish at the same time that the bread finishes. And now would be a good time to flip our creation here. So actually, we're gonna just let it cook on this one side, cook the egg all the way through. It will take a little bit longer to do it this way because the egg is only being cooked one way. Now I'm gonna shut the stove off, even though there's still a little part that's not cooked, because we need to see how the bottom is doing. Ooh, the bottom's getting pretty nice, actually. Now we can light the stove again. Now this part you gotta be very careful. Now going to shut the stove off. And we're going to see how our Christmas tree egg turned out. Okay, not that bad. Not that bad. Used to be a little neatened up around the edges, but not bad at all. And here we have our Christmas tree egg. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.